In this video, I'm going to show you how to find off-market affiliate programs that nobody else is promoting. I find that most people who get into affiliate marketing, they go to these really oversaturated affiliate networks like ClickBank, Digistore. I'll show you all that stuff in this video, and almost everybody else is promoting the same stuff. And then it just gets really difficult to start making your first sales. So just like in the real estate world, where are the best deals? They're off market. They're not on Zillow. They're not on any of these other apps. So let's get right into it. First off, if you're brand new to affiliate marketing, you may or may not have heard of this place. It's called ClickBank. It's one of the oldest affiliate networks in the world. And as you scroll down here, some of you guys know, if you've been watching my channel for a long time, I'm not a fan of ClickBank. First of all, look how scammy and weird these products are. They're like a lot of times really health products and like literally snake oil sometimes. Is like, this will fix your back. This will, if you got leg pain, one pill will make it go away. It's just really crazy, weird stuff. For me, I always think of affiliate marketing as something that is a long-term brand, a long-term business. I mean, what is this? So I don't want my name and my business to be associated with something that is really, really something like this, really a little questionable, to say the least. Because you have to think of it like this: over the long term, you're going to build a list of buyers, people that have interacted with your business over the long haul. And in order to get them to buy again, which is where your real profit comes from, which is where you really make the money, right? They're going to need to trust you. So if they already bought something scammy and scummy and weird from you before, then how hard is it going to be, you think, to get them to buy again and again? So like, here's an example. Here's what I'm going to do for you. I just copied the top offer on ClickBank right now, right? The #1 offer on ClickBank. So if you're a brand new affiliate marketer, you're looking to get into this, this is basically the product. I can't even see a picture of it. It's just like this stock product picture. But this is the top product that's selling the most right now. Okay, so everybody's jumping on it. And so if you don't know anything about advertising on Facebook ads, you can actually type in the name of a product, and Facebook ads is transparent. Like, they actually release all this stuff to the public. You can look up any ad on Facebook. There's nothing hidden. You just go over here to the Facebook ad library, the official one, and you can actually look up and see how many different advertisers are promoting this same thing. Now, I typed in the Brain Song, which is the name of the product. Some of these may or may not be related, but I want you to just look at one number, okay? This is going to blow your mind. I want you to look at how many different ads that they were able to find. Greater than 50,000 results, okay? 50,000 results. That's how many ads and advertisers that you're competing with. And if you know anything about Facebook ads, that means that your costs are going to go up. So every time that you get a click on your ad, you're going to be paying $5, $10, freaking $15. Super expensive, super saturated. And not to mention, everyone and their grandma has seen these ads 100 times already. So let's quickly overview again another one of these affiliate networks. Okay, affiliate network is basically a middleman. The company needs affiliates. They go to an affiliate network, and the affiliate network posts the products to you so that you as the affiliate can go ahead and promote it. Now here's another one called Digistore 24. I think it's slightly above ClickBank, although they quickly became ClickBank like overnight. Like, all of a sudden, they were the new kid on the block a little while ago. They were pretty decent for a little bit. They promoted pretty decent programs and courses and things that you could promote. And now if you look at it again, the top sellers, look what it's becoming. Again, it's like weird snake oil stuff that's like, here's this supplement, here's this pill, here's this weird thing. So it's starting to look a lot more like ClickBank nowadays. And again, it has the exact same problem. The problem with a lot of these affiliate networks is they have zero barrier to entry, meaning any old Joe Schmo, your grandma right now could log in, start an account, and start promoting this stuff. So they don't actually have any checks and balances on any of this stuff. Then you have some other ones like the Warrior Plus. Warrior Plus has been around for a long time. They're okay. There's actually some stuff in here that if you really know what you're looking for, that you will actually find some pretty decent offers that you could promote as an affiliate. Although I will say this, they skew more towards like make money online products, courses, things like that. So if you're not into that, like a biz op type of product, then this is probably not a great platform for you to find products to promote. And then lastly, we have JVZoo, which again is pretty decent. You can find some good stuff in here, but it skews more towards like software and like, which again isn't bad, but software little like SaaS, what they call, which is software as a service. But there is some stuff in here that's decent. Again, you have to know what you're looking for, okay? A lot of times as a beginner, you don't know the difference between a good product and a bad product. You don't know what you should promote, what you shouldn't promote. So that's another reason that some of these affiliate networks can be really difficult for someone who's just starting off. Not only are a lot of the offers on there really saturated, but also you don't know what you don't know. So you might end up picking something that's actually a dud and it doesn't sell and it's garbage, you know, or it damages your reputation over time. So here's what I mean by finding products off market. Before I get into that real quick, if you want me to build out your entire business, your digital marketing business, your empire, just like mine, I will actually copy and paste it into your business so that you can start running ads and start making money this week. This isn't a course. This isn't a call to like, hey, buy my thing so you can watch a bunch of videos. I will actually build for you my entire business so that you can white label it and resell all of my products and start making money back right away. If you want to learn more about that, there's a link down below where you can see case studies, you can see past clients, you can see how the whole thing works. And then you can get on a call and talk to either me or somebody from my team, and we'll go from there. So this is all I do to find a quote unquote off market affiliate programs. It just means that they're affiliate programs that are not listed on any of these affiliate networks, so that any old grandma, grandpa can just jump on. Not anything against you if you're a grandma, grandpa, but could just jump in there and just start promoting random stuff. You're gonna get this like insane amount of saturation. So like, for example, I just went to Google. All you have to do is type in the niche that you're trying to sell in, like what industry, what type of expertise, like what, and make no doubt about it, okay? No doubt about it. An affiliate marketing business is an expert business, okay? That doesn't mean you have to be a world-renowned author or something like crazy stuff like that, but you should be a little bit more educated than the average bear, even though AI does a lot of heavy lifting now, and I talk a lot about how to use AI to promote stuff. You should know a thing or two about the thing that you're selling just to help you out a little bit. Like if I was to sell like affiliate products around like, I don't know, cars. I'm not very good at cars, right? I don't know anything about them for the most part. I would have a hard time because I don't know what I don't know. I don't know where to start. So for example, I typed in options trading affiliate programs, and that is the structure, okay? You come to Google, you pick a niche, you say this affiliate programs. That's it. You say, stripper heels affiliate program. I don't care what it is. You type that in, and Google does a pretty damn good job of going out and finding you these off-market affiliate programs. So a lot of times it means that the company itself has their own internal affiliate program where they'll actually take your application, almost like you're applying for a job. They'll take your application, they'll go through and figure out if you're a good fit or not. Now, the downside to this, if you're a complete beginner, is yes, sometimes they will want to see if you have a website already, or if you already have like a social media presence or something like that. So it's not always the greatest for a beginner, but not all of them. It's, there's a few of them that don't really care and want, even if you're a newbie, they want people to start promoting their products, as long as you show maybe a interest in that type of product or a little bit of expertise. And even if they do require you to have a website, it literally takes you like 5 minutes, 10 minutes to just put up some kind of a website real quick. You can have AI do it and like, hey, here's my website. So it's not difficult. It's not hard at all. All right. So for example, here's like option alpha program, something just random that I found off the Google, I call it. And it says here, like, look, here's the application. Are you a perfect match? Are you a content creator, a course creator? Do you have a community of some kind? Maybe you have a school community like I do about options trading. And this is a pretty decent deal. 15% recurring commissions. Anyone who's done affiliate marketing for a while will tell you we love recurring commissions. That means you make the sale one time. It's usually some kind of a subscription, right? So the buyer, the customer, will end up paying monthly over time, over and over and over again. So imagine you had like your own personal Netflix where people will pay you monthly income for the rest of their life, for the life of each subscription. So until they cancel, if they don't cancel for 10 years, you keep getting that residual check every single month for 10 freaking years. It's pretty awesome. They even have options here. You can get a flat rate $100 if you want, or you can get the 15% commission. I will promise you this, you should take the 15% commission, okay? Because again, it happens every month. I'm not against like, an upfront payment, but there's something way more comfortable about having a recurring payment, because as an affiliate marketer, your months are going to be up and down sometimes. So having that recurring in there, oh, it's a blessing. It's amazing. So here's the application you would fill out, and it's pretty simple and straightforward. Your first name, last name, email, company name. If you have something like an LLC, even if it's not related to affiliate marketing, okay, even if it's not, even if you have like a nail salon, it doesn't matter. Use that. That's your company name. Country, obviously, address line, you know, all that good stuff. So it's a basic form. And like, here's the company website, right? Again, you can go into like Claude, which I had a video about before, and have it build you a website really quick. Just like, here's my company, here's what it is. They just want something. They don't need the website to like, you know, be this massive Amazon.com. Like, you don't need that, okay? They don't care. They just want to see that you're a legitimate business. So they just want you to have something most of the time, okay? And again, you can scroll through here. You can see all the different off-market affiliate programs. Now let's try a different niche, okay? So I just typed in divorce affiliate programs just to kind of see where, you know, to see what pops up, because unfortunately in the United States of America, divorce is at a high rate. So that means that there's a big industry around it. Wherever something is happening a lot, right, there's usually a lot of different businesses that'll jump in and try to make money off that. So you can see here, Women's Divorce Academy affiliate program. It says earn 30% commission for each membership. So membership is another code word again for recurring. As someone pays for their membership month over month, look at that, 30% commission on every membership sale. 9 times out of 10, that means you're going to get that payment every single month. So it's another recurring program. We love recurring programs if you do affiliate marketing. Man, it's awesome. They show you a little preview of what your dashboard looks like should you become an affiliate. And again, this is off market. You don't find this on ClickBank. You don't find this on Digistore, none of the other places, okay? You find this yourself. So just a little bit, okay? Take an extra 5-10 seconds to just type into Google and go find your own affiliate programs. I promise you, when you start promoting, when you do advertising, when you do whatever you're gonna do to get people to your affiliate link, you're not gonna be competing with 50,000 other Facebook ads, okay? It's gonna be a lot easier for you to get sales when you go with something like this. And as you saw, 99% of people, other affiliates, they're too lazy to do this, okay? They go to the ClickBanks of the world. They're like, let me just pick what the top selling thing is. It's just lazy. It's corny. It's stupid. It doesn't really work for somebody just coming in. So definitely do this, okay? Just go in here, become an affiliate partner, okay? And if we go back, we can see here, there's probably some other ones. Divorce referral program that pays. MyDivorcePapers.com. My goodness, there's a lot around here. This shows me how much of a problem divorce is. There's so many affiliate programs. Look at that. So you get a $50 commission. There's a 90-day cookie. Just in case you're new, what a cookie means is from the time that someone clicks on your affiliate link, how long will you get the credit if they end up buying, not today, but later. So that's another cool thing about affiliate marketing, is that if you know these terminologies, you know what this stuff means, you look for things like that. There is actually some affiliate programs that will give you a lifetime cookie. That means that if they click on my affiliate link today and they don't buy until, I don't know, 5 years from now, I still get that commission. I still get credit for that sale. So this one being 90 days is pretty good. Most cookies are about 30 days. That's standard. So that's how you find off-market affiliate programs, okay? Down below, I'll even give you the opportunity to promote some of my programs, some of my courses, some of my products completely for free. You don't have to pay anything. I don't do that like pay-to-play stuff. You can just sign up and start promoting my stuff if you want to. That's down below. And if you have any other questions, join the free community. It's called the Infamous Mob. We go in there and we talk affiliate marketing, digital marketing, making digital products with AI, selling, using ads. Oh my goodness, we talk about a lot of amazing stuff in there. So go ahead and join that down below. Watch this video next and learn a bit about my ad strategy. I'm the Infamous Joel, and I'm out.